Hello, student of class 9. Today I am going to explain you chapter lines and angles. Now, the basic terms followed by this chapter is there are different types of angles. These are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle. Acute angle, its value 0 to 90. Right angle, it is exact 90 degree. Obtuse angle, it is between 90 and 180 degree. Straight angle, exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle, more than 90 degree. It is 100 between 180 to 360. And complementary angle, it is two angles together must be equal to 90 degree. Sum of two angle is 90 degree, and supplementary angle sum of two angle adjacent angle it is 180 degree. Now these are adjacent angle. If two angles they have the common arms, it is called the adjacent angle. These two are adjacent angle. Vertically opposite, if two lines intersect at a point, four angles form just opposite angles are called the vertically opposite angles. Definition I have given here the same one. Now axiom 6.1, axiom is the, now it is, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Second is, when the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then they are called the linear pair. It is the first axiom. Now axiom 2, if the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of angles form a line. Now see the figure, non-common, it is the common arms, and this line are non-common arms. These non-common arms form a straight line. It is the second axiom. Now theorem 1, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles already I have shown you, these are equal. Now NCERT followed questions. Exercise 6.1. First question, in figure, lines AB and CD. Lines AB and CD intersect at point O if angle AOC plus BOE, these two angles, sum of these two angle is 70 degree, and angle BOD, this angle is 40 degree. Find BOE and reflex COE. That means not this one, rest of the part of this. Now BOD has given 40 degree, so it is BOD is equal AOC. BOD and AOC, these two are vertically opposite angle, it is 40, so therefore this one also 40. These two together was 70 degree, so 70 minus 40 is this one, so BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, 30 degree. So that is got. Now reflex COE. First we have to find out COE. AOC plus COE plus BOE, these all four angles together is 180 degree. It is the straight line. You see these three together is straight line. So it is, these three together is 180 degree. Out of this it is 30 degree, it is 40 degree. So 180 minus 70, it is 110 degree. So reflex COE is 360 minus 110, that is 250 degree. Total 360 degree minus 110, this one is equal to 250 degree. Question number 2. Lines XY and MN intersect at O if POY is equal to 90 degree and A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. Find C, this angle. Where in ratio give the answer, there you have to multiply to separate this individual number. So 2x and 3x is A and B respectively. So it is A plus B plus 90, A plus B plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is we have got by linear pair axiom. Now A plus B plus 90 is equal 180 degree. A plus B is equal to 90, will shift to that side, it is 90 degree. Now it is the equation. Suppose now A ratio B is equal to 2:3. Then A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Now 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. This is the equation. A 2x plus 3x is equal to 90, 5x equal 90, x equal to 18. Now multiply it. 2x, A is equal to 2x, 2 into 18, 36, and B is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 54. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now B plus C is 180 degree. See, B plus C, it is the straight line MN. So these together is 180 degree. B we have got it is 54. So 54 plus C is equal 180, C is equal 126 degree. That we have got. Question number 3, in figure, this is the figure, PQR, this angle is equal to PRQ. These two angles are equal. Then prove that PQS and PRT, these two are equal. This is the linear pair. Angle this plus this equal 180 degree. That I have written here first. And from this side also this plus this equal 180 degree. So these two angle is equal 180 degree. Now therefore both are 180, 180. Therefore this equal to this, we can write angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now as these two are equal, so PQS instead of PQR we can write PQR and PQR. These two will cancel. Now therefore PQS is equal to PRT. This proved. In given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that the AOB is a line. AOB, this is a straight line, we have to prove that. Now x plus y is equal w plus z has given. We know x plus y plus w plus z, all four together is 360 degree. Now x plus y plus w plus z is equal 360 degree. These two part you take. These are 360 degree. X, w plus x is equal to x plus y has given in condition. So we can substitute its value. 2 times x plus y is equal 360. So 1 time x plus y is equal to 180 degree. 180 means it is the linear pair. So hence by linear pair axiom, AOB is a straight line. Question number 5. In given figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP. Lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal half of angle QOS minus POS. ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. Now this, to prove that, given POR means it is 90, obviously this one is a 90, so POR is equal to QOR. We can write that POR is equal QOR. Now ROS, both side if we add, because ROS we have to find out, so you add ROS both sides. So these two, POR plus ROS, POR plus ROS is equal to QOR plus ROS. Now these two PQOR plus ROS together is QOS. Instead of this we can write QOS. I have written actually this side, and these two I shifted it right hand side. Now QOS is equal POS, this it is POR is equal to these two angles, POS plus ROS. So I have written POS plus ROS, and it was ROS, that's just copy it. Now 2 times ROS, 2 ROS, and these are copied. Now ROS is equal, this will shift to that side, QOS will shift to this side. Now ROS is equal QOS minus POS. So ROS is equal, now these two will come this side, half of QOS minus POS. It is proved. Next question is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find XYQ and reflects QYP. Now angle XYZ is 64 degree given. XY produced to P and YQ is a line that bisects this angle in 2 equal parts. Now XYQ 64. So XYQ this plus ZYP this together is 180 degree, and that I have written it is 180 degree. So ZYP is equal 180 minus 64, it is 116 degree. Now 2 times ZYP means these and these. These two are equal, so we write 2 times of ZYQ instead of ZYP. So ZYQ is equal 116 degree. So ZYQ is equal to upon 2, it is 58 degree. So ZYQ is equal to PYQ. ZYQ is equal PYQ. These two are 58 and 58. Now we have to find out angle XYQ. XYQ is equal to 64, 58, and it is 58 and 64 together is 112 degree. Now reflects ZYQ, reflects QYP. Okay, QYP. Rest of the part of 360 degree. So it is 360 minus 58, it is 302 degree. So these two we have got. Thank you very much. One assignment of only 5 questions. They are very easy question. You will solve it. Answer also I have given here. Thank you very much.